don't know. That more was.
He did a better pass than
Yeah, it did. It seemed like it could be right. That one just wasn't right. Yeah, that trash control. He probably got that trash control on. Okay. You finna get this TikTok going on over here. Look out. What's up with it, man? How you doing? Not much. We got Trenton in the building. Let me call my TikTokers over here. Man. Look at Dixie wheel. I gotta follow that. Oh shit, my shit on live match. Race your car. Okay, cool. Me being in the line. Bed. Okay. All right, bet. All right, appreciate it. Hey, y'all, they said that whenever I want to race, y'all, I just come pull to the side. I come pull to the side and bam, there it go. They gonna have me pulling. Left lane for the win. They gonna have me pull to the side. That's per Bill, y'all. They say Bill said that. Oh, Bill.
No, that one was old. Yeah,
they said, look out. Man, I need some new cards. Hey, bro. You know you look like. Ryan. The dude who do PRE. No, Grigsby. You don't know who I'm talking about? He look like Ryan, fool. Yeah. Man, he drive this bitch rough. You can tell he know how to tear some shit up. I can tell by the way he came over there and hump y'all. Oh, God, man, he done scared the dude in the Tesla. He done just got on the brakes, y'all. Oh, shit. A catastrophic failure.
Blew that bitch up.
Oh shit. Okay. Damn. Already, man. Look out, y'all. Y'all on my YouTube channel?
What is it?
Look Out Racing. Yeah, look out. Man, where the hell my wallet? Hold on. Yeah, but I'm mostly on YouTube. Yeah, we mostly on YouTube. Where my red card at, y'all? I done lost my damn red card. That be, I could tap their phone. What that thing called? Boy, I can't believe I done lost that thing. Oh yeah, they done found it, y'all. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay, bet. Somebody said one of y'all know how to freestyle. Is it you? Oh, okay, that ain't him. Yeah, that ain't him, man. Yeah.
Wrong people.
Wrong. That's wrong. He be working out. You be working out.
A little bit.
Yeah, that's him. That's him. Yeah, he be working out, y'all. Yeah. Yeah, he be getting his workout on, man. Appreciate y'all subscribing, man. Let me see. Let me see, my boy. You on my channel, man? You on my YouTube channel? Look, check it out. It's called Look Out Racing. Look out. You can tell your uncle them who didn't get to make it. Tell her, man, Look Out Racing. He was loud the whole time, man. He seen that car blow up down there, man. Where's Stone Vid at? I'm thinking Stone Vid out here just getting stoned. We got Justin Fargas in here. Hey, all my people that's in TikTok, I forgot. I'm on YouTube right now in 1080p, y'all, looking good. It ain't buffering or nothing. It ain't buffering or nothing, Jesus. Look out. Look at her, y'all. Y'all know her?
Hi.
Hey. How you? Yeah, where you been?
I've been watching you live.
Oh, okay. She been watching my live, y'all.
I told you to show you.
Shout out to ARS Acceleration. They still accelerating on y'all. You know what I'm talking about? Going faster and faster. They going faster and faster. Going out of town, extra trips.